Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing GoldPower EA, an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Based on the information provided by the developer, this is an MT5 expert advisor designed specifically for trading gold. All right. Now, starting here on the marketplace page, GoldPower EA is developed by Amel Takdol del Rosario and is currently listed with a purchase price of $1,000 US. There are also several rental options available, including monthly going for $50 US, quarterly going for $100 US, semi-annual going for $150 US, and the yearly plan going for $250 US. So these are available for traders who want to test the EA before committing to a full purchase. At the time of this review, the version shown is 2.254 with 5 activations available. Now, looking at the product description, the developer presents GoldPower EA as a conservative gold trading system that can be started with a minimum recommended capital of $1,000. The EA is specifically focused on gold trading, and the description explains that its operation is based on the RSI indicator. Okay, and the developer also states that it follows a trend following approach while incorporating buy and sell limit orders as part of its trading methodology. So as I continue through the page, another feature mentioned is the percentage profit reset function. Okay, according to the description, users can define a target profit percentage ranging from 1% up to 1000%. Once the account equity reaches that selected percentage target, the EA resets its calculations and positions before beginning a new cycle based on the next profit objective. Now, since this is one of the key functions highlighted by the developer, it is clearly intended to be part of the EA's overall account management approach. All right. And the developer also notes that traders should contact them directly to obtain the suggested input settings before using the EA. That is worth keeping in mind because the marketplace page itself does not provide detailed configuration recommendations. All right, so now moving into the backtesting section, the information provided on the marketplace page does not include a detailed strategy tester report, modeling quality, testing period, or whether the tests were performed using every tick or open prices only. Now, because of that, there are limitations on how much historical testing analysis can be performed from the available information alone. But one thing that we have here displayed is there seems to be the EA in action, with a couple of running trades and pending orders. But we're just going to go over to our strategy tester so that we can also see how the EA performs, how it performs, in real market conditions. Okay, even though this is historical market conditions anyways, but we are going to be testing the GoldPower EA on XAU USD on the H1 time frame. We want to see how the EA performed this year, 2026. All right, so as at the time of recording, this is June 2026, so I'm testing from the beginning of 2026 till date. And for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we're using the every tick modeling. So quickly we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was just $5.06, and only one trade was taken, right? And now that one trade was a long trade, and it was a profitable one. But based on the description, the description that we have already seen on the marketplace page, we know that the EA combines RSI based decision making with trend following concepts and the use of buy and sell order limits. However, the exact entry criteria, exit conditions, filtering methods, and position management rules are not disclosed on the marketplace page. So those details, cannot be independently verified from the information provided. All right. So whenever you are evaluating an EA with limited historical testing information available, I'll strongly recommend running your own back tests over a longer period and across different market environments. Okay, doing so can provide a more complete picture of how the system behaves during varying conditions and volatility levels. All right. So as for the results, any historical backtest results or future performance expectations should always be viewed cautiously. Okay, because actual performance, can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and how the EA is optimized by the user. All right, these are some of the factors that tend to affect, the results from historical back testing. So before considering live deployment, it is always a good idea to perform your own testing on a demo account first, and then you also make sure the system aligns with your personal risk tolerance. Okay, so before we round up, let's just also briefly, just for a moment, look at how the GoldPower EA, how it looks like in action. So that's why I'm just turning on the visual mode for a moment, and we can see how the EA looks for opportunities in the market. Now, based on that single trade that was executed just now, it seems to me that this EA actually targets just short-term price activity. We can see that a trade was executed here, and a buy order here, and then it closed within the same candle. In fact, it was not even, the distance is not even much, right? When we head over, when we were reviewing the back test results, we saw that the EA, made just a very little profit, right? And you can see that the targets, the EA targeted just short-term price activity. Okay, but the number of trades is not sufficient enough for us to, conclude if that is exactly the kind of distance that the EA targets across all its trades. And this is also another reason why it's always good to, conduct the test over a very longer period of time if you are really interested in the expert advisor. So overall, GoldPower EA is presented as a dedicated MT5 gold trading solution that combines RSI-based analysis, trend following concepts, limit order trading, and a customizable percentage profit reset feature. As always, take time to review the available information carefully and perform your own testing before making any trading decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.